Staying in line and give this shit some time. Precision is my design. Stick with me and you will rock. Big Daddy tell you no lies. You're doubting it out of spot. You cannot ride if there's rules you can't abide.
Hey, those are some nice shoes you got on right there.
Thank you.
But you mind if I interview you real quick?
Sure.
What's your name?
Percy.
Prissy?
Yes.
And let's stop, Prissy. And what kind of shoes do you got on right there?
These are Chinese laundry.
Chinese, huh?
Chinese laundry.
Laundry? All right. And how much you pay for those shoes?
$149.
Now that's what I'm talking about. All right. How do those shoes fit for you?
They fit good.
Yeah.
They good. Yeah.
All righty. And what was the name?
Chinese laundry.
Chinese laundry. All right. Dang, this is a short ass video or interview right here. Anything you want to say about them?
I love them. They come in different colors, and I got all three of them.
Yeah.
They match her outfit. And they match my outfit.
You want to jump in there too about yours?
Sure. These are UGG.
You want to lift them up? Let me check them out. To the side. Okay. And state your name.
My name is Faith.
Faith. And they're Pug?
UGG. Like
UGG.
boots.
Like ugly?
UGG boots. Not UGG. UGG boots makes heels as well. So these are UGG
Okay.
heels.
Outstanding. Outstanding. And how do they feel for you?
They feel very comfortable.
And about how much did you pay for those?
I got these on sale for $50, but the original price is about $150.
$150. That's what I'm talking about. All right, ladies. You can find this video on YouTube under "I Want to Support You" shoe review on YouTube by P.M.I.P Productions. Also check me out at PMIPproductions.com. All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bookmark that. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, you ladies have a good day. Thank you very much.
Staying in line and give this shit some time. Precision is my design. Stick with me and you will rock. Big Daddy tell you no lies. You're doubting it out of spot. You cannot ride if there's rules you can't abide.